Come to Blue Velvet Car Wash for full-service car washing, waxing, and detailing services. Our car wash company was rated #1 in the Minneapolis St. Paul magazine. Our full-service car washing includes exterior and interior cleaning, auto detailing, and more. Right now, we're offering unlimited washes for just $29.95, perfect for removing bugs and road filth from your car and save money at the same time. We are open 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturdays, and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Sundays. Visit our website for more savings, then give us a call for all your vehicle cleaning needs.